under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day.
Remember the last time you were at the beach? Everything was perfect. The sun was shining, the sand felt warm underneath your feet, the cool ocean just waiting for you. And then you see it, the slimy seaweed barrier between you and the water. Ooh, and did you notice the smell? Wouldn't it be nice if we could turn this nasty goop nobody wants to see at the beaches into something essential and useful, something we want and need every single day? Actually, we can. When turned into liquid fuel, seaweed could substitute 10% of the nation's transportation energy demand. If you're more for the actual numbers, it equals to 620 million gallons of fuel. But we do need some help from tiny microbes, because in nature, this beautiful seaweed is made to persist. Seaweed is like a thick rope with multiple intertwined strings, making it extremely hard to decompose. It has a super complex structure with a lot of chemical bonds to resist degradation as much as possible. And that's why it takes at least 6 months for it to compost. And by that time, the beach season is so over. That's why I am looking for enzymes that break down these tough structures fast. And since our digestive tract is doing a pretty good job in decomposing our food, my search starts in a fish's gut. My challenge is to screen a ton of microbes to find expert degraders to produce enzymes with just the right kind of tools. Imagine it as a Swiss Army knife found in a fish's gut. Because sometimes you need larger blades to break down the structure into smaller pieces so the enzymes can tackle the problem from all ends. And sometimes you need little scissors to fit the tiny gaps in a tightly bonded structure. Once I have identified the successful microbes, I take a closer look at their genetic blueprint to copy their enzymes and eventually reconstruct their Swiss Army knife to repeat the successful solution without the fish. I want you to remember that the highly specific enzymes found in a fish's gut do an exceptional job in breaking down these tough and resilient structures, and thus allow us to produce a multitude of useful products, including renewable fuel from seaweed. My research aims to fuel your beach vacation, and the next time you're at the beach, remember me and my fish guts and how they can help clean up the shores while filling your tank.